How was your St. Patrick's Day?
I had a roaring good time. I drank lots of Guinness and had fun. How about you?
I played a little pickleball,
Pickleball.
and I won a medal.
A
Hey.
medal-winning pickleball player. That's fantastic.
Oh,
Excellent.
yeah.
You got that spike going, don't you?
What's that?
You got a good spike going, don't you?
It's called a smash, but okay.
Spike smash. Sounds good. Sounds like fun.
Well,
So what do we got trending in the news today? We got Trump tariffs continuing to pile on. We have carbon tax. We have in Canada, we've got our new PM Carney, and of course we've got Poilievre as the leader of the opposition, gunning up a storm to try and get an election going. And that means that we have some different things hitting us in terms of finances. What do you think? How does some of that play in with, a possible trade war? And what do we do with our wealth?
well, this means we can do, a bunch of things to help stabilize everything. We can look into low volatility funds. We can show people more about guaranteed income for life. We can show people about 100% principal protection, global strategies, value strategies. I have some really neat software for accumulation phase and decumulation phase.
What's up? Just to sort of jump into something you said there, what is, I think you said protection. Tell me about that.
Yeah. A lot of the investments that some of the pension fund companies have can actually have 100% principal protection. So long term, even in times of volatility, you're not going to lose your money.
You won't lose your principal. So your premiums that you've put in, you won't lose them.
Right. Yeah. Your investments.
Okay.
And it doesn't have to be new money.
Okay.
We can convert old investments or old accounts and principal protect them. Like most people aren't going to get that service when they walk into the bank, but as part of a high net worth provider, we can show them options from a variety of different assurance firms or banks, and match you up. And actually, this kind of segues into being a fiduciary. Because
I was going to ask you about that. What's a fiduciary, Brad? I understand that you have to be a fiduciary, right?
Yeah, I think there's people that are able to be better fiduciaries than others. I think you are one, and I am one, because we don't necessarily only show a client or a prospect things from bank ABC, right? We look at all the banks, all the firms, all the best opportunities for people and align them. If they want to stay at the place that they are, we can help them manage things from that institution.
So you're not tied to one specific brick and mortar business or online business. You can offer them all sorts of options.
Yeah, whatever is best for them. Much like yourself, you could probably look through different rates, different strategies, different providers.
Different products for different people.
Yeah.
I always use the car industry example. You and I have joked about this before, but if you go into a car dealership and they sell brand X, are they going to show you anything from brand Y? No, but maybe brand Y actually has the right vehicle for you. So same thing with some of the products that we have, right?
Yeah, I've had that in the past where I've worked for a firm and I can only show my firm's products, which are sometimes good, which aren't always the best.
Might not have been the most suitable thing for that particular client in that situation.
Yeah. So instead of trying to kind of sell something to someone, it's kind of reverse. And, both you and I just get to know someone a little better and then provide a person exactly what they want and what they need. Sometimes their emotions, gets the best of us, but, we're able to show them the math and the reasoning and the strategy and the options so they can sleep.
So we want to give them options, but ultimately it's up to them what their decision is.
Yeah, exactly.
Also, right?
Exactly. They're not painted into one particular, brand or corner or strategy. Yeah. We'll show you 2 or 3 different strategies. We can show you how they map out on software, and then you can discuss it with your, husband, wife, accountant, lawyer, Whatever's best for you is best for us. We just want to nudge you in a better position than when we first met you.
Long term, we want to give them good advice and then allow them to make an informed choice.
Absolutely, absolutely. And one of the improvements that I know you work on is credit scores. And can you, you were kind of telling me a little bit how you can help a person improve their credit score. What's that all about?
Yeah, well, just some basic advice. One of the things that people don't realize is that, credit utilization is a big part of your credit score, right? So how much credit do you have available and how much of that credit are you using at any given time? And to give a quick example, let's say a person had $1,000 credit card. I mean, just for easy math, if you keep that use of that credit card below $750 charged on that card, and keep paying the monthly payments on the interest and bringing down that principal, you're going to have a steadily climbing credit score. It's going to show that, hey, you're not living off of your credit card and you can afford to pay the payment, no problem. If you want to really turbocharge that score more quickly, keep it down below 35% utilization. And you're going to see that score climb pretty quickly.
Very cool. And then this can affect the amount that you're able to get for a mortgage or a home equity line of credit.
Yeah, it's going to certainly determine whether a lender wants to lend money to a client or not. They're going to say, all right, well, this person's not living off of their credit cards. They're managing their money really well, and their credit score is climbing, so that helps. And the other thing too, yes, it helps with better products being available. A person with a poor credit score, is going to have to look at alternative forms of lending at times. We are looking at higher down payments and higher interest rates for someone. So obviously, we want to take good care of a credit score and make sure that a person's in the best position to take the best loans possible for themselves.
Good stuff, James. Thanks for the chat today.
Yeah, you too. It's good to see you. All right.
We'll see you on the pickleball courts.
Sounds good. All right. Bye now.